Hey guys, this is Scott from Trim That Weed, and today we'll talk about how to use bone meal fertilizer for plants. This video will explore everything you need and provide methods to use bone meal fertilizer for plants, so stick around for that. Use it on your garden bed. First, prepare your garden bed for application. Assess your plant's nutritional requirements to determine whether they are heavy or light feeders and their sensitivity to bone meal fertilizers. Once done, test your soil pH. The rule of thumb here is not to use a bone meal fertilizer in alkaline soil, anything above a pH of 7, because it remains an insoluble form that doesn't benefit plants. Next, loosen your soil using a garden fork or tiller, ensuring it's well drained and weed-free. Apply bone meal fertilizer according to the manufacturer's instructions. Generally, most recommend using about 10 to 20 pounds in a 100 square foot garden bed. Use a rake to work the bone meal fertilizer into the soil and spread it throughout the garden. Avoid direct contact between plant roots and bone meal fertilizer since it may cause burning and other effects. Finally, water the area so the fertilizer settles and breaks down to release nutrients. Use bone meal on potted plants. Bone meal is essential in helping potted plants flower and produce fruits. You may want to use it once or twice during the growing season to provide the required nutrients. To apply it, test your soil's pH. As mentioned, bone meal fertilizer doesn't work in alkaline soil. Once tested, sprinkle bone meal on the soil around your plant and mix it into the soil. We recommend using about a tablespoon of fertilizer for every 2 square feet of soil. Water your plant to break down and activate the fertilizer. Use it for seed starting. Bone meal can be used as a soil amendment to provide phosphorus, calcium, and nitrogen during seed starting and transplanting. For seed starting, add a tablespoon of the fertilizer into a cup of potting mix and mix thoroughly to ensure proper distribution. It's worth noting that bone meal doesn't provide all the nutrients your plants need. Therefore, don't use it as the only fertilizer. Instead, use it to supplement general-purpose fertilizers. So there you have it. These steps will help you use bone meal fertilizer for plants. Do you have any comments or questions? Make sure you drop them below and like this video. Till next time.